Beach bumming. Relaxing on the beach, enjoying the sun and sand. They spent their vacation beach bumming in the Bahamas. Sightseeing. Visiting and exploring tourist attractions. They spent their vacation sightseeing in Paris and saw all the major landmarks. Hitting the slopes. Skiing or snowboarding in the mountains. They spent their vacation hitting the slopes in Aspen and had a blast. Camping. Spending time outdoors in a tent or camper. They spent their vacation camping in Yosemite and enjoying the fresh air. Island hopping. Traveling from island to island by boat. They spent their vacation island hopping in Greece and visiting all the beautiful islands. Cruising. Taking a vacation on a large ship that travels to different destinations. They spent their vacation cruising the Caribbean and visited several different islands. Backpacking. Traveling with minimal belongings on a budget. They spent their vacation backpacking through Southeast Asia and had an amazing experience. Volunteering. Working for free to help a worthy cause while on vacation. They spent their vacation volunteering at an animal shelter and helped care for the animals. Staycation. Taking a vacation at home and exploring your own city or town. They decided to have a staycation this year and explored all the hidden gems in their own city. Road trip. Taking a vacation by driving to different destinations. They spent their vacation on a road trip through the American Southwest and visited all the national parks. Off the beaten path. Traveling to unique and less visited destinations. They decided to go off the beaten path and explore the hidden islands of Indonesia. Digital detox. Taking a break from technology and social media while on vacation. They went on a digital detox and spent their vacation enjoying nature and disconnecting from the online world. Cultural immersion. Experiencing the culture and traditions of a new place. They spent their vacation in Japan and immersed themselves in the local culture. Culinary adventure. Trying new and different foods while on vacation. They went on a culinary adventure in Italy and tried all the delicious pasta and pizzas. Relaxation retreat. Taking a vacation to focus on relaxation and rejuvenation. They went on a relaxation retreat to a spa in the mountains and got some much-needed rest and relaxation. Adventure travel. Engaging in thrilling and exciting activities on vacation. They went on an adventure travel vacation to New Zealand and went bungee jumping and skydiving. Solo travel. Taking a vacation by yourself. They decided to go on a solo travel trip to Bali and had a great time exploring the island on their own. Multi-generational trip. Taking a vacation with multiple generations of family. They went on a multi-generational trip to Disney World and had a magical time together. Family reunion. Taking a vacation to reunite with extended family. They had a family reunion at the beach and spent their vacation swimming, playing games, and catching up. Honeymoon. A vacation taken by a couple after their wedding. They went on a honeymoon to Bora Bora and had a romantic and unforgettable time.